watch the breakdown.
Here back with you another video, and this video is going to be going over how to confirm if something is going up or not. All right, so as you can see, this is ULTA. All right, so we got the EMA on here. First thing first, we're going to point out where the resistance and support levels are. Okay, this is the support down here. Obviously, this is this. I'm not going to say obviously, but this is the resistance right here because it keeps getting rejected right there. And where I opened that from that huge gap down, this is a huge gap down, you guys. That is going to be a resistance as well. Okay, so now check this out. We call this the EMA bounce, you guys. First off, let me go over this. We got 3 stages to a reversal. Rejection, where stocks sell off. Confirmation, sorry about that. It's rejection when the stock sell off. Consolidation when the stock moves sideways. And then confirmation when the stock pushes up and start going up. So we call this the EMA bounce. And it's also making higher highs, as you can see. Making higher highs, staircasing, higher highs. That's what we call higher highs and higher lows as well. So check this out. It pushed up above the EMA, but this time it got rejected. This time it pushed up above the EMA, pulled back, bounced on the EMA, and started going even higher. We call that the EMA bounce, you guys. Confirmation of an uptrend, you guys. Like I said, rejection, consolidation, confirmation. All right, so this is the EMA bounce, right? The EMA bounce is at the resistance, right? It pushed up above the EMA finally, that blue line. Finally at the resistance where it got rejected over here. But now it pulled back, right? It sold off because it got rejected by the resistance again, this white line. Sold off. It pulled back, and now it's at the EMA. Now, if it break below this EMA, and the EMA start making a downwards pattern, you know, like a down pattern like that. You see how it's like a loop down? Let me show you guys an example. It's like a loop downwards, like that. It's not doing that. It didn't do a loop down, and the candles bounced off the EMA. That is what we call an EMA bounce. It bounced off the EMA. Let me show you guys. Pushed up, got rejected, bounced off the EMA, then shot right back up. Shot right back up. Didn't even respect this resistance. Just pushed right past this resistance area, going right up. That is how we know we have confirmation of an uptrend, you guys. So it pushed up past the EMA, pulled back, bounced off the EMA. Once you get that bounce off the EMA, that is letting you know that it's now uptrending. But if it's a resistance right there, like it is right here, I will wait until the resistance is broken. So it pushed past the resistance, and now I enter the trade because now I have confirmation that this thing is now trying to go up. That is confirmation. Let's go over it one more time, you guys. Rejection, consolidation, moving sideways, pushed up towards the past the EMA. Finally pushed up past the EMA. Let's remove this red line. All right, let's remove the red line so we can have a little better understanding of things. All right. All right, so once again, rejection, basically it's sold off. Consolidation, moving sideways, getting rejected by the EMA as well. Finally pushed up above the EMA, test that resistance that it got right there. It's not gonna always have a resistance right here, you guys. So it pushed up, but wait for the pullback for the EMA, right? Wait for the pullback on the EMA like it did right there. That pullback on the EMA like it did right there, and now it's shooting up, hovering above the EMA, using the EMA as a support, pushing up. That is confirmation. Now, I am going to be opening a TMD Ameritrade, and I'm going to show you how to use the EMA and the MACD as confirmation, along with the RSI. Okay, let's get it. All right, you guys, check this out. So this is the daily chart. People call this the fish hook. I call it the gap fill above. Like I promote inside my playlist, this is a huge gap down. So when the stock passes above that resistance, it's usually going to fill a gap above. So check this out. We got the rejection, consolidation, right, on that support. And now confirmation, pulled back, and bounced up. This is the daily. So let me go on a 4-hour for you guys so you can see more details. All right, check this out. Rejection, consolidation, getting rejected by the EMA. You can see a little clear on here on the Think and Swim. Getting rejected by the EMA. Pushed above, bounced above it, but pulled back below it. So that's a fail breakout. Pushed above this time, pulled back to the EMA, right? And then start consolidating on it. As you can see right there, consolidating on the EMA, and then kept continuing its push above, go up, is push higher. That is confirmation of an uptrend, you guys. And then it came to the resistance where it opened at right here. The resistance, and pushed right above it. You can see the resistance more clearly on the daily. Check this out. Check this out. Resistance, because that's where it opened. I mean, that's where it closed. So it opened down here. Sorry about that. It opened up here and it closed down here. It opened up here and it closed down here. So it was a resistance right here because that's where it opened, but it closed down there. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys another example. You see this loop? Imagine a arrow at the end of the EMA. Imagine an arrow. Which direction is that arrow pointing in? Up or down? Check the RSI. The RSI. I hope you guys see my videos and know what the RSI is. Check the RSI. Which direction is the RSI pointing in? Up. Just imagine an arrow at the end of the RSI. And look at the MACD. We got the crossing on the MACD. I hope you guys watched the MACD video. The crossing on the MACD. Anytime we get the crossing on the MACD, it is bullish. Not all the time. Sometimes we're going to have false breakouts, but it is bullish. We got 3 confirmations. Confirmation on the EMA pointing up, the RSI pointing up, and the MACD is giving us all confirmation that this thing is trying to push higher. Just imagine arrows at the end of it, you guys. Check this out. Imagine arrows at the end of it. And do the same thing when a stock is downtrending as well. Imagine arrows at the end of it. If you imagine arrows at the end of the EMA, that tells you the direction of a stock, which way it's going. Down. Up. Check this out. Up. The EMA show you the signal and direction of the stock. Down. Check this out. And then move down. So look, down, and then showed up, and it's pointing down, and then it's pointing up. That is what the EMA show you, you guys. And if you use 3 stages to confirmation, the rejection, consolidation, and then confirmation, and then use that EMA bounce on the 4-hour chart, you will be ready to pursue this market as far as swing trading, you guys. This is the same thing for day trading as far as like the minute chart, 5-minute chart as well, but it's a little difficult. It's a little more in depth. I will have to explain that, but right now I'm showing you guys how to review and see what direction something is going in from the big time frames. I'm on a daily right now. If we go to the 4 hours, the same thing. Check this out. On the 4-hour chart, same thing. It's pointing up. It started pointing up right here. So it really started right there, but you gotta wait for that EMA bounce confirmation. You see that would have been a fake out. It pushed up and then pushed down. It's pointing up, but wait for the stock to start going back up and go above where it pushed up at. You see how it pushed up right here, then pulled back. Now wait for this to go above where it pushed up at as confirmation. So letting you know as confirming going up as higher highs. Check this out. Pushed up this time, pulled back, and then started consolidating on it, using it as support, and then pushed above it, letting you know that it's now making higher highs trying to go up. The RSI pointing up and the MACD is pointing up. Confirmation of an uptrend. This is what you need to see before you enter a trade as far as like day trading as well. You need to just get the overall direction of a stock. If you get the overall direction of a stock, you will be good. Let's get it.